Hop on the world's lightest electric carbon fiber scooter made by Ferrari and scoot over to your $48,000 legacy audio Helix floor standing speakers. Break out your credit card. Happy holidays. This is Loot. Gaming gets larger than life when you're playing on the world's largest arcade machine. A $99,000 replica of the Guinness World Record winner, it's 14.5 feet tall, has an 80-inch screen, and it's preloaded with 250 of arcade gaming's greatest hits. If you prefer your arcade at shin-busting height, there's the Nucleus Arcade Coffee Table. Choose a walnut, oak, or birch ply finish to round out the 32-inch LCD, arcade-perfect controls, and optional built-in PC for some steamy action. I mean, you can play Steam on this, not steamy like, Brush dirty thoughts out of your mouth with Reinast Titanium Toothbrush. Starting at $4,200, it allows for replaceable bristle heads on a premium titanium base with antibacterial coating. Coat your phone in titanium by brandishing the Gresso Regal smartphone. The elegant $6,000 18-karat Regal Gold model is made of titanium and has a PVD coating used in fancy Swiss watches. Watch your friends eat dust after passing them on a big wheel drift trike. SFD Industries build motorized big wheels which range from standard to stupid fast. Look stupid fast by using the dog treadmill. Geez, that's not very nice of me to say. Sorry, me. No problem, me. I'm glad you two worked it out between yourselves. Just for that, you don't have to mow the lawn, because we have the Robotic Lawnmower. It's like a Roomba for your yard. Just be sure to make some Roomba for the world's largest backyard water slide. But how am I gonna slide off my yacht? With the inflatable yacht slide, of course. Don't have a yacht? The Billionaire Shop has you covered. Seriously, this place sells everything from yachts, jets, helicopters, a $4 million watch, and yes, even a castle in France. Find France on your Diplomat Globe, the finest globe from Replogle, the world's largest globe manufacturer. Handcrafted with over 20,000 place names, it's the most detailed globe you can get. Before you lay your head down on that $8,775 Eiderdown silk pillow, slip into a $345 Armani t-shirt, and remember, the one thing money can't buy, hedgehogs. Unless you get this Hedgehogs shirt, obviously. And as always, thanks for watching.